Get to the hospital.
The hospital's closer.
James River is the closest one.
What the hell is that?
Sir, you're bleeding.
I didn't know about the hospital closing.
You know, it's been big news. Do you live here?
It's just down the block.
Oh.
Well, I'm 20 days sober. Again. Hoping to make it to 21.
Give him a round of applause.
He's a big theater guy, director. He also directs this teen soap.
Every year we begin with a group affirmation, a moment for all of us to come together before we judges rip you apart. Quick, close your eyes. Feel everyone breathing with you. Breathing as one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3.
Then it's you I love. I really love. Oh, yeah, you. I wanna tell you one more time that I really do. Every time I talk about you, I get chills up and down my spine. Yes, I do. It's you.
Not the niece. She got what you call a eager to please mentality. And that ain't gonna get you none but trouble in this world.
Careful now. I got what you call an eager to settle a score mentality, Del Rey.